Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain is Screeder.com legit or a scam. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question, should I buy from it or not. If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till the end as I will share the way to get your money back. Well, the site sells different varieties of cover nappies for your babies. Here we can see that they have cover nappies and just landed items like baby cloth diaper cover nappy, choices multi. The prices of these products are quite reasonable and they are neither too low neither too high. Here at the bottom page they have mentioned that they will take PayPal as their mode of payment. Now let's check out their shipping policy. So here they have mentioned that they will take 24 hours of processing time to dispatch your order, although they have not mentioned anything regarding the shipping period or shipping time. Well, now guys, before going any further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about on those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or a legit website. Well, the site is having a valid HTTPS protocol, which is a good thing as it will protect your payment methods. Coming to the website age, the website was registered on 1st August 2020, which means the site is approximately 1.5 months old, which is not a good thing as new websites do not have credibility at all. Now let's check out their our store. So here they have mentioned some of the details regarding the website, but the information given here is very limited, and also they have not mentioned anything regarding the owner's identity or their products as well. So it does not look very much good to us. Also they are having some grammatical errors like spaces after commas, etc. So the about us or our store section is not very much legit. The prices are quite reasonable and the payment methods are very limited. Now the contact us section, they have mentioned here their contact service email ID which matches with the website domain, which is a good thing. They have also given their contact address, but the contact address is copied and fake, so it does not look good to us and it is a very big scam alert as no legit website would do that. Now if you talk about the social media presence, here they have given their follow us out there, in which they are claiming that they are active, but in reality they are lying about their social media presence as they are not active on any of the social media platforms. It is again a very big scam alert. Now let's check out their returns. So here they have mentioned that they have 14 days of return policy, which is quite mediocre. Also share your reviews regarding the return and refund policy of the website. Now coming to the customer reviews, the site is having no customer reviews on its own website or on other Google reviews. There are no customer reviews whatsoever. The website content quality does not look very much good. It looks very much compromised as the site is giving fake information, copied content and copied images as well. The layout of this website is also very much copied and it does not look legit or unique to us. So guys, giving a final verdict, we do not recommend this site to you as the site has shown many scam signs like giving fake information, lying about the social media presence and copied information, no customer reviews, being a new website. So it looks like a possible scam to us. And if you have ever been scammed, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video as we read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. We advise you to be informed and be safe. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.